Von Meade Virtual Open House in the Art Room with Miss Kristen Teeple, the art teacher. I'm Kristen Teeple, and I teach art at Von Meade Elementary. All classes are 50 minutes long, once a week in the art room if you're under the hybrid instruction. During hybrid, we do not share art materials for safety reasons. Students must also wear a mask in art class. Shields are optional. For safety, students are sat 3 at a table and are approximately 4 feet away from each other at the art tables in the classroom. This is a photo of the classroom. We currently have 9 tables. I'm available via email should you have any questions. kteeple@moonarea.net. For my virtual learners, you will visit art once a week on Clever on my page called Art Teeple. Look in the top corner of the slide. And you're going to work asynchronously via a video art lesson that I have created earlier that week. Please look for your grade level on Clever, and the video for that lesson will be listed beneath it by the week and date. There's an example right there, week 8, October 15th to the 23rd. Video lessons are generally 5 to 10 minutes long as you watch an assignment. However, you have more control of how long it takes you to complete this week's art assignment, working at your own pace when you're done watching. Each lesson is like the hybrid lesson at school. However, please use the materials that you have at your home for the project. I'm very flexible with this due to the very nature of virtual learning. It's okay to use something else in its place. Now, both virtual and hybrid students, when they're done, they're going to open up the Artsonia app that's on the iPad and scan this QR code. This will allow you to look for your grade level, then your teacher's name, then your name. And that's when you get to add your artwork. There's a little green button that says Add Artwork. Every week I have a new gallery for each art lesson. So look for it and then upload your artwork to Artsonia. And as parents, you'll get an email with their newest creation. My virtual office hours each Wednesday are for 20 minutes for each grade level. If you're in 4th grade, it's 9 to 9:20, 2nd grade, 10 to 10:20, 3rd grade, 11 to 11:20, kindergarten, 1 to 1:20, and 1st grade, 2 to 2:20. You may chat with me in Teams if you have a question. I am here to help. Thank you. Looking forward to a creative year. Bye.